Aikoi Kudimak Ahanbada India Machani Aduga Anishubada Manipuri ni Haibase Furupcha Kudimakna Kaudana Lamdam Asida Tangdu Leitaba Hanjilhannaba Hotnaminnasi Haina Chief Minister Namkem Chana Funurakte. Wafam Asing Ngarang Chief Minister Sanapati Kongchet Ke Saruk Ama Oina Kangpokpida Kuki Jogi Luchingba Church Ke Luchingba Amate Kunja Singa Unaba Amada Chief Minister Namkem Chana Funukibane. Chief Minister Namkem Chana Makatana Hai Sanapati District Headquarter da United Naga Council UNC gi mihut singa unaduna Tangdu Leitaba Hanjilhannaba Honabada Thodang Lominanaba Wari Sarame Faziluba Kuki Micham Taraga Mari Tekta Kaidan Thadurakiba Adugidamak Thagatba Fongdoklambe Ngasi lamdam asida oirakliba fibam asida aikoi kudimakna haukhibana haukhrabasu pumnamak kauthoknaduna amana amabu ngakpiba ngambagi pukchel chenbagi tangai fadaba leite masi natana lamdam asida Tangdu Leitaba Hanjilhannabagi atopa pambai leite mi hatpa ngambagi pukchel adu afaba miyoiba amagi khudam nate furup masalgi marakta irang ama tholakpa matamda nahasing ase fathaba hektama ngamlakte masina pikliba angangsingdasu yamna phattaba mami kaya ama tahale Maram aduna pamdaba thaudoksing ase makhatana thoktanaba Ishwarda thauniduna lamdam asida Tangdu Leitaba Hanjilhannaba aikoi kudimakna Hotnaminnasi aikoi kudimmakki mathakta lo leibana Maitai oiro kuki oiro natraga naga oiro aran ahui tauriba mi sing adute chairak phangba tabane church ki luchingba sing nasu furup masal gi marakta lainariba nungainadaba ase hantha handuna lamdam asida Tangdu Leitaba Hanjilhannaba honabada angamba thodang sing lobiyo laingak nasu athuba matamda lamdam asigi mahausagi fibamda Hanjilhannaba hotnari hainasu Chief Minister Namkem Chana makatana phongdokhe.
After opening the past pages of the Bible, it is written that forgive and forgiveness. Without a peaceful atmosphere, what will rob our togetherness? Today, at Senapati, I met the UNC also. I was very thankful to them that they released 14 cookie boxes. Cookie was so affably, Mati was so affably. Me had pang ang wakal do apawa mi wakal nati. Ado ako'y mayamna. Indaraga, amana amabukan na raganda. Ako'y peaceful atmosphere mapurakkan niya haibasi. Ay man. Maybe I'm not Christian, but I have to open. Let's forget and forgiveness. Community masen kanaradi naha singdi wild way. Naha may say wild way. Then what about the younger generation? We have to think about it. First of all, we are all Indians. That cannot be denied. And secondly, we cannot deny that we are Manipuri. I am Manipuri Maite, you are Manipuri Koki, and Manipuri Naga. And let us pray to God that to restore peace is the only way to develop and our future of our young generation.